Traveling solo is an empowering experience, but it comes with its own challenges. And today I'll share with you the top places where I felt unsafe as a solo female traveler. And note that these are my experiences that are specific to me, and the same city can offer different experiences to different people. So let's start with number 4, Pattaya, Thailand. While Thailand as a country is really safe and I had the best time of my life there was an experience which really scarred me, which was a drunk man who was himself a tourist, touching me inappropriately in the daytime in the main street. While I understand that the city is known for the reasons that I don't even have to talk about, that does not mean that people can do whatever they feel like when they are traveling to that certain city. It comes with its own responsibility of a tourist to make sure that you take care of yourself, also that you behave responsibly. That was my experience about Pattaya, Thailand. Plus, I just feel like you're still not allowed or authorized to touch without consent wherever in the world you are. Next city where I felt unsafe was Jakarta in Indonesia. While exploring the bustling streets, I was frequently catcalled, and it was a very unpleasant experience. Being called I love you and all of that, and I can understand that it might be harmless, but obviously it's not comfortable when somebody is shouting at you. So that was my experience about Jakarta, and most of people might say that it was pretty safe, but just be careful and mindful of these situations. Another similar experience was in city number 2, which was in Paris. Again, frequent catcalling, and even though it's a first world country, first world city, I was shocked to have such experiences. And I cannot rant enough about Delhi, how unsafe and how disgusting it could get. One time a man started walking beside me and just started masturbating, and I was in shock. I did not know how to react, and I did not believe that something in broad daylight in the winters when I was fully clothed, something like this could happen. And it can get as disgusting as this. Apart from this, there's pickpocketing, there is abusing, there are people who don't know what their limits are, and they can go to any extent to make you feel uncomfortable. I have been there even with my foreigner friends, and they have complained about it so much that I now do not recommend even landing in Delhi if they're coming to India for the first time. These experiences have shaped my perspective so far, and it might be different for you. Do share other places where you feel unsafe or safe as a solo female traveler, and let's discuss those in the comments below. And I'll keep sharing my experiences, more to come in terms of travel as well as in terms of my digital nomad lifestyle, so make sure that you stay tuned.